Hello, my name is Phil Cohen, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the Knifehand Guarding Block. Okay, so we do this from an L stance. So I'm going to go ahead and get to a left L stance. Okay, most of my weight on my back foot. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and chamber into a wedge guard. Okay, before we do that, the hand shape is very important. You want to keep your fingers together like this, thumb against your palm like that. Same with your backhand, nice and tight. So we're going to start with the wedge guard. Okay, basically it's, you're going to bring that front arm around to the front, just like that. Make sure your arm is bent. You don't want it out like that, you want it like this. And then the other hand's going to come around behind and flip over against your solar plexus. So, start from a wedge guard. I'm going to do this together, and then just come across like this. Okay, you just want to go as far as enough to deflect like an incoming punch or a haymaker punch. So, I'm going to come across like so. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to do it from a side angle. Okay, back to my L stance, into that wedge guard. Okay, so I'm going to bring my front hand around to the front, like so. The back hand's going to flip over against the solar plexus, nice and tight. Okay, so let's say I do actually, when I grab something, I can do a palm heel or a punch. So, start from here, okay, and do it together, and then just like so. Okay, I'm going to have Mr. Booker come in and assist me in demonstrating how this works against a target. Okay, we'll get into an L stance. So we're going to start off, Mr. Booker's going to stick that blocker right in my face, okay? And basically what I'm going to do is touch and push, okay? So I'm going to come across and touch and push. Just like that. Now we don't want to come way out here. You always want to just go far enough to deflect, okay? If you're way out like this, you're exposing the front side of your body and you're not going to protect yourself. Okay, so then we're going to do three that are a little bit harder, like so. Okay, now a thrust. Okay, this simulates a punch coming towards my face. Okay, so he's going to come towards my face, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, now he's going to do a haymaker, simulate a haymaker punch. He's going to swing that blocker, and 1, and 2, and 3. Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Booker. Okay, so you want to make sure when you're doing this block, you want to stop right here, okay? You just want to do far enough to deflect, okay? And then, if necessary, you can do a reverse punch or a palm heel, like that. And that is the Knifehand Guarding Block.